Yeah. The court is in session in cause number 325-358. The case is State of Texas versus Anthony Leo Moore. We have Mr. Anthony Leo Moore, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Moore, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Moore, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Mr. Moore, you're there represented by your attorney, Mr. Todd LeBlanc. Mr. LeBlanc, how are you doing?
I'm okay, Judge.
Mr. LeBlanc, let's see, Mr. Moore has a motion to revoke his probation. Actually, it's the first amended motion to revoke his probation. And Mr. LeBlanc, previously, the court, or you acknowledged to the court that you read the assessment that was in the file and that you did not have any objection. Well, you did not object to the findings, conclusions, and recommendations. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
And Mr. Boyd, you also received a copy of the assessment that's in the file, and you acknowledged to the court that you did not have any objections to the findings, conclusions, and recommendations. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. LeBlanc, well, I have before me a motion to revoke Mr. Moore's first amended motion to revoke his probation. In this motion, there are 9 allegations. Now, Mr. Boyd, what allegation is the state proceeding on? Is it just only proceeding on allegation number 1?
I believe we have
2
2 and 8 marked, Your Honor.
2 and 8?
Yes,
Okay.
that's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Okay. Mr. Moore,
Yes,
the
sir.
state, let's see, let me read you the motion. I have before me a motion to revoke, the first amended motion to revoke your probation. In this motion, it alleges that you, Anthony Leo Moore, was tried on October 23rd of 2020 for the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault, and that the court found you guilty and assessed your punishment at 90 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $600. The court probated the confinement portion of your punishment for a period of 18 months. On October 10th of 2021, the state filed a motion to revoke your probation. And as I stated earlier, in this motion, there are 9 allegations. And the state is abandoning allegation 1, 2, 3, excuse me, they're abandoning allegation 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Mr. Boyd, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And so, Mr. Moore, the state is proceeding on allegations 2 and 8. Allegation number 2 alleges that you, Anthony Leo Moore, failed to immediately report to the probation officer your change of address as ordered by the court in violation of condition 11 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
Can you repeat that, sir?
Okay, allegation number 2 alleges that you, Anthony Leo Moore, failed to immediately report to the probation officer your change of address as ordered by the court in violation of condition 11 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
Not true.
Okay,
Mr. Moore, Mr. Moore, if
Sir,